Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach, 30A, and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
We're over here on the east end of 30A at a adorable little building called the Inn at Seacrest Beach, right before you get to the iconic Alys Beach. This building does not come up for sale often, and this studio we have to show you is beautiful. Turnkey ready, vacation rental, or it could be your little beach getaway. It has a beautiful balcony on the west end of the building, huge spacious balcony on the second floor, nice, private, and cozy, and everything you need. Private pool, hot tub, shared private beach access, deeded beach access with Seacrest. You could just take the trolley to the beach. What do you love about this area, Sheldon?
All I'm going to say is location, location, location. As she mentioned, it's right next to Alys Beach. So you can, a short walk to Alys Beach, enjoy the restaurants over there. Also, you have Rosemary right over there with the famous Paradis restaurant. You can rent bikes. I mean, this location couldn't get any better. That's my favorite part about this place.
The east end of 30A is unparalleled. You have the shops, the restaurants. You can scoot on over to Inlet Beach, Panama City Beach, or head the other direction and go to Destin. We would love to show you this turnkey ready vacation rental. Does excellent numbers over here at the Inn at Seacrest Beach, priced in the 400s. We can't wait to show it to you.
If you want more information on this property, click the link below.
You will find all the listing details on that link, as Sheldon mentioned, and just make sure you subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one.